Introducing this beautiful 2014 Chrysler Town & Country Limited conversion van. Offering a BraunAbility automatic in-floor ramp and kneel system. This vehicle features a 3.6-liter V6 engine and around 33,000 miles. With the touch of a button, your ramp will stow or deploy. Also offering leather seating and a driver's side turnout seat. Regain your mobility, independence, and freedom with this 2014 Chrysler Town & Country Limited conversion van. Call AutoMobility Store and ask us about our nationwide vehicle shipping and delivery services. And don't forget to subscribe and comment below.